Students, today we are going to discuss the topic representing real numbers on number line. So, what are real numbers? Real numbers are the collection of rational and irrational numbers. So, what are rational numbers? First, rational numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q. So, you have already done this in class 8, 7. So, in class 9, you will be representing only real numbers. That means, let us say the number like 2.675 or 3.26 bar, all these kinds of number you have to represent it on number line. So, I will start with exercise 1.4. So, in exercise 1.4, question number 1, we have 3.765. We have 3.765. We have to represent it on number line. So now you see this value is between 3 and 4 because it is more than 3, less than 4. So when we represent it on number line, you will draw a line. You will draw a line and your starting point will be 3. Then next will be 3.1. That means from 3 to 4 you have to represent. So that means 3.1. So from 3 to 4 we have represent a line with 3.1, 2, 3.2, 3.3 like that. So now the next is we start from 3.7. So this is 3.7. So your next number line will start from 3.7. So I'll start with 3.7. This will be your 3.7. Next will be 3.71. Then 3.7 means 3.70. Then 3.71, 3.72 like that up to 3.8 means it is 3.80. So till here. So this is my line. Then next I got 3.76. So this is my 3.76. Now I'll start with 3.76. So now next number line I will be starting with 3.76. That means this will be your 3.76, 3.761, 3.762, and I'll stop at 3.770. So now you see we have changed it to represent 3.765. So I got 3.765 on this line. So since after decimal points there are 3 digits, so you have to represent 3 number lines. So the concept is like this: if after decimal points, if there are 4 digits, there will be 4 number lines. So this is how we represent real number on number line. Now in question number 2, the question is represent 4.26 bar on number line up to 4 decimal places. It is given 4.26 bar. You know bar means it is repeating. So here the 2 digits will repeat. So what you will represent is you will represent 4.2626 on number line. So that means when you draw a number line, we will have 4 number lines now because after decimal point 4 digits are there. So when we start, you will start with 4 because it is more than 4 and less than 5. So between 4 and 5, you have to make first number line. So just I am giving you the first concept. Between 4 and 5, you will make the first number line. So you will start with 4.1, 4.2 like this. So then next number line you will start with 4.2. So like this you continue and you make 4 number lines. Then you will get your answer. So if you have any doubt, any confusion, I send you the PDF of the solution. You can go through it, and if any more confusion, you can just ask me. Thank you.